Hi guys, it's me again, Shine Angelia, and today we are going to be unboxing some Kumi bags. You can also adjust it to make it longer. Okay. So let's unbox them. Wow, this is a really nice color. I'm liking it already. And this bag also comes with a strap. Okay, let's hook it on. Just like that. And then it's like this. Look how cute. And it's optional too if you want to use a strap or not. So you can carry it like this too. And it's your choice. And if you want to make it bigger too, there's that. You can also adjust it to make it longer. Look at that. See? Nice. Cute little Kumi bag. Okay, now let's open the other one. Next one. Okay. Look what color it is. It's the white color. I love white. You can never go wrong with white bags. Okay, this one also comes with a strap, just like the other one. Look at that. And then you put it on. Just like that. And there you go. You can hold it like that and adjust it as well like the other one. Or hold it just like that. Super cute. You can wear it with any outfit, any color you'd like. Because white goes with everything. So let's look inside it. Ooh, pretty big too. You can put your wallet. I think you can even put your water bottle inside it if you want. You can put so many things in it. This is so cute. I love Kumi bags. Look at this. How is it? Here's how it looks like. It's super, super cute. And if you hold it like that, super cute. Let's see how many things you can put inside this Kumi bag. Okay, here we have a phone, wallet, sunglasses, powder, bronzer, lipstick, nail polish, perfume, and hand sanitizer. Let's try put it in the Kumi bag. Okay, first let's put the phone in here, and then the wallet in the side, then the hand sanitizer, perfume, nail polish, and then the powder will go on the side here with the bronzer and the lipstick. And last, my sunglasses. Okay. And it all fits in perfectly. I think I could even fit more things in here. Look at this. After that, you are ready to go wherever you're going. Look at that. And that is it for unboxing the Kumi bags. These are the two newest colors. You can buy them on the offline and online shop. So don't forget to comment what you want me to open up next. Bye!